The body of a man who was pinned under a crashed vehicle in Portland was retrieved today, nearly 8 hours after the incident happened. Firefighters had to seek external help to remove the body and the truck. Shamela Pullen has the details.
The ill-fated truck, which plunged 300 feet off the Dumfries Main Road in Portland up to 8 a.m. Wednesday, the body of the driver, Alphonso Thompson, was pinned under the crashed vehicle. Of note, the incident happened sometime after 4 on Tuesday. But firefighters and police were unable to do much because of the rain and poor visibility. The impact of the incident was made clearer at sunrise. The deceased driver was heading to make deliveries when his truck overturned. Residents complained that this was inevitable because the breakaway on the main road has worsened over time.
You know the gentleman?
That go over Yaman Tayan from Fellowship.
Oh, what kind of person he is?
He's a good person, man. He help out the district a lot, bringing stuff like, apply things to the people.
Oh, yeah. So he was delivering yesterday?
Yeah, some here.
Oh, all right.
Some here that like he was carrying block.
The residents are concerned about the poor conditions of the road and called for it to be fixed soon.
If fire truck couldn't go down the back last night, throw down the back, So then they need to do something if I'm going to scrape off the level, man.
So you said that would have caused what took place last night? Because
if then they got the right something in place, the truck would never go over gully. But the road not there.
We sought a response from the Member of Parliament for West Portland, Darrell Vaz.
There is, as we speak, a contract for $20 million, which includes that road leading up to Dumfries, from Hope Bay all the way to Cooper's Hill, which will include bushing, drain cleaning, and patching of the road. So that will start within the next week or two.
Based on the location of the truck, the firefighters had to seek the assistance of a wrecking service from the neighboring parish of St. Anne. With the help of residents, the dead man was pulled from the wreckage sometime before 10 a.m. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.